Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And the day above and the under, yes, it's a blessed day, y'all. Amen, amen. Okay, y'all, today I'm doing some gizzards and fries from this little hood place around the corner, around the way. I ain't never eaten there before. It's the first time, so I'm just playing. But yeah. Alright, now my baby, I just got in. I've been up, y'all, since 5 o'clock. I went to bed at like 2:30 and woke up at 5:30, and I've been up moving and running. And you know, Shakira went off today. She in St. Louis. Tomorrow is my daughter's prom, so there's all types of last minute stuff going on. This video is going up extra late tonight, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, cousins.
Yeah, so I got in. She's like, Mom, I'm hungry, so I'm going to give her some of my food, y'all. I'm being nice today. Oh, you look. Like I had to share with her.
You did.
Keep playing. You take that one gizzard and call it a day.
She loves talking
and 2
stuff.
fries, 3. Girl.
Don't peasant me.
I am
nobody.
Why you ain't eat? Your brother ate. Why you ain't eat?
I'm driving.
Oh no, you did eat. Fatty.
You ate too, you forgot?
No, I didn't. I ate this morning. I was hungry.
I want that one.
Which one?
That one.
Get out my plate, Shoshana.
How many skimpy? No, she ain't gonna finish that, y'all.
Don't matter.
Hey, cousins, I missed y'all.
I should be saying I miss y'all. Boy. These gizzards don't taste like much. How's the sauce?
Cool.
Shamika said it wasn't good.
It's cool.
My sauce good?
I got cool. It's bearable.
Really?
I still prefer sharks.
Sharks got the best mouth sauce. Why you got that taste? I'm supposed to go with hot sauce. Forget it. That's a lot of hot sauce. I know. It is what it is. I don't want no more of this sauce. It got a little aftertaste. That's not good. That's not good. When I tell y'all I'm tired. Oh, excuse me, y'all. I'm tired.
Nobody cares about you being tired. Tough it out.
Somebody care. Ooh. That tastes so much better with some hot sauce. Tastes with some hot sauce on it, girl. Man, this daggone ketchup again. I told you I needed ketchup. Yo, lazy behind herself. She didn't want to go downstairs. So
it's called personal responsibility.
So the ketchup.
Personal.
You hear what it's doing right here? Yeah, oh crap. I'm out. It's called personal. Who's she talking to? I wonder who the mama over here. Can't tell. Can't tell her she ain't my mama. So how is everybody out there doing? What's going on in y'all world? I want to know, foodie fam. I'm nosy too. How are you, Shoshana?
Pretty sure you know how I am.
Tired?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, you ain't supposed to be tired.
I'm gonna make sure then you justify to tell me I ain't got the right to be
This
done.
fries taste good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't give them the fries, huh?
Mm-hmm. Fries taste good. Dad, I eat fries a lot. I just noticed that.
Mm-hmm. You are carbs, purple.
Ooh, I love it. I love it. Oh, I ain't give y'all a taste. I'm sorry, y'all. It tastes better now with the hot sauce on there, y'all. Take a bite. I need the hot sauce. Mm-hmm. What was it saying? None? Y'all, I can't wait for tomorrow. We gonna put up a little video on YouTube for my family that's not following me on Instagram. Then you know, I'm gonna post pictures over there on Instagram. So y'all gonna see how tomorrow. She was so pretty already. I mean, she was pretty before, but I just realized that my baby is, she's a grown girl now. I'm gonna miss her. She was daddy's girl too, y'all. That child was always at her daddy's legs. When he was in the kitchen cooking, she was right there. My middle daughter. Come to think about it, that child always been in the kitchen. Hold up. I just remember something. Yesterday she texted me and said she vegan now.
Who?
Your sister. And today she ate chicken.
Okay, Kwani. Kwani been a vegetarian his whole life.
Oh my word. I said, yeah, I'm a vegan now, Ma. I guess she was a vegan for that moment. That she was eating that veggie burger. Okay. Want some more?
Nah, don't act like you want to share with me now. I got Booty Fam evidence that you just tried to dish me.
I haven't had a Coke in a minute. Oh, excuse me.
Who?
Oh, looking at me so. That felt good. That felt like, it felt good. I felt like I inhaled that in the, what's it? Just a while ago. And I did. Fat.
Hashtag fat.
Mm-hmm.
Hashtag I don't care.
You should. Burping all in my video.
Sorry. Excuse me. Let me Maybe I should take that Coke from me and let you drink some water.
Say who?
She ain't having because she look all like chewing. Her jaw will start hurting. I ain't got
I don't know what happened. That hot sauce I put on there. These suckers. See that? Oh no, y'all can see it.
Don't scratch because I scratch.
Please
You can't be me.
don't rub off on me.
Toot.
Y'all seen the Billboard Award last night? Y'all seen Cardi B? Seen them abs, y'all?
Hard. Need to be like hard.
My girl working out. She working.
She working.
That's hard work.
Yeah.
You gotta get on the floor. Y'all, on my screensaver, on my phone, I have a picture on there. And I was skinny. I'm like, goals.
Come on, go. Yeah. 100,000.
I'm like, goals. I'm trying to get back there. I don't know how I'm gonna get back there.
Yeah, because you can't stop inhaling.
But I got dreams and aspirations.
You got the perfect recipe for I ain't getting back to that size. Fried,
Stop playing.
carbs, and sugar. Boy, you ain't never gonna lose it. You ain't never gonna lose it.
Thanks for reminding me, Shoshana.
You're welcome anytime.
She full of nothing, ain't she?
They love me.
I see that.
My cousins love me.
I see that.
Okay. They are here for my foolery.
I'm happy.
Whenever I'm ready to give you.
Oh, give it, girl.
Dang, don't even need all of that.
Yes, you do. Don't come telling me what my food is.
Dang, good.
What?
Oh,
I can pour the whole daggone bottle. It's mine. It's called mine.
Ah!
Stop playing.
You fat.
I don't care. It's called mine.
You just remember your commitment you made at 11:30 tomorrow. So be ready to go ahead and
What?
go get my cousin.
Oh,
Right. Look at you. Don't forget about my cousin.
I forgot already.
You was poor.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Please don't let me forget. Please don't. He gonna call me though. Cause I told him 11:30. And you know how he is. He gonna be calling. He gonna be calling
My
at
cousin
10 o'clock.
be playing that LA stuff. It's not oral.
Girl, it is so good. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. That Coke.
That Coke, that Coke.
I love it. That's my baby, y'all. Hold on, y'all can't see. It's my baby. I gotta cuddle it. You know what I'm saying? And put it up on my shoulder. I gotta burp it.
I think she need a nap, y'all. I think she need to go to sleep. Because she acting crazy. The weirdo in Dawn is coming out.
No weirdo in me.
Yep.
And Coke is good. I don't care. You can't deny it. It is what it is. Speak facts, speak truth.
Some people are Pepsi.
God. Yeah, I know.
It's that fine line between Coke and Pepsi, for real. It's a real fine line, because it's only really one thing that makes them different.
Wow.
And it's just that sweet taste, like, 'cause, you know, I think Coke is more on a, I don't want to say bitter,
No, it's not bitter.
but like, it's not sweet.
It's good.
It just go down.
It's good.
It's like a drink, you know, like a hard liquor. And then, and then Pepsi, like, to me, is like a wine cooler. Cause man, you take Coke down the wrong way, you gonna get it, okay?
I love it. And you love me? No, I'm perfectly fine.
You medicated. I'm just playing.
Talking to my food. You gotta talk to the food. When you cooking or anything, you gotta put love in the food. When you put love in the food, I mean, it just...
You need a nap.
I do need my bed. Child, I do.
I can't tell if you want your bed or you want to feel your stomach.
I want to feel what?
Your stomach.
Ooh.
I mean, all that belching ain't doing nothing but make you inhale some more food.
Girl.
Daddy.
Because I'm like, I just got a hole down there. Like,
A hole?
yeah, because I gave you some of my food. So it's like...
Take back your little 6
Okay.
and 7 fries. She be playing, y'all. Right.
I'm gonna finish my Coke and then, you know, I'll be straight. My little mukbang, y'all. My little eating show. No. We act crazy over here. We act
crazy
food.
over here. We act nutty over here.
Nah, we just like to have fun.
If they watched our lives and anybody know how we are on live, they know. Y'all know the truth.
Girl, it's been a minute since we did a live. Ooh.
That sounded unhealthy.
Ooh. Girl. That was some good stuff. All right, y'all. I will see my lovelies tomorrow. Bye, my beautiful peoples.